Hello everyone, welcome to another day with Chef Blinks. Today I'm going to be showing how I decorate my birthday cake with butter icing. The other day I baked a birthday cake and I promised to drop how I will be decorating it. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so. Subscribe, like, share to your family and friends, and don't fail to hit the notification bell to know when I upload new video. So if you want to know how I did this, let's get started, guys. Welcome to another day with Chef Blinks. Today I'm going to be doing butter icing on a birthday cake. These are all I'm going to be using: 250 grams of butter, 500 grams of icing sugar, and my blue color. And I'm going to be using powdered vanilla flavor. You can add milk if you want. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my mixer. You can as well use your hand if you want to, but I'm going to be using mixer. So I'm going to do this off camera because of the noise. Okay guys, this is my butter. You see it has changed the color and the double its size. So I'm going to be adding my icing sugar bit by bit. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to be adding my blue color. I'm going to share this into two because I need one that is not very deep, blue. So let's see that. This is my blue, so I'm going to be covering the cake. That's my butter icing, so I'm covering the cake now. Yes, now that I've covered the cake, I'm going to be using my comb to give it the design I want at the top, just like this. Okay, I'm going to do it round. That's my cake covered. So let's continue. Just a simple birthday cake. It's the surprise birthday cake for my husband. Today is his birthday, so I'm doing this to surprise him. So that's my happy birthday. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.